Siraj says, if I missed washing a part in wudu or ghusl, how to rectify and what's the time limit until which we must rectify it? As for wudu, there are pillars that must be followed. 4 of them mentioned in the Qur'an. O you who believe, whenever you want to pray, you have to wash your faces, your arms till the elbows, wipe your heads, and wash your feet up to the ankles. These are 4 pillars. Then there is the order, as mentioned in the Qur'an. So it has to be face, arms, head, feet. You cannot start with your arms, then go to your face, then go to wiping your head. It doesn't work. And the 6th pillar of wudu is it has to be simultaneous. So you have to do this, after this, after this. If you wash your face, rinse your mouth and nose and wash your face, then the phone rings and you go and answer it, and you make a short conversation of 30 seconds and come back, you cannot continue, because this interrupted the sequence and the simultaneousness of the wudu. You have to restart all over again. So in wudu, it's crystal clear. In ghusl, it's an issue of dispute. Schools of thought, some of them say you can wash half of your body in the morning and then come out, and in the afternoon you wash the other half and your ghusl is valid. And the most authentic opinion is that this is not true. Also in ghusl, you have to do it as a package. You have to do it all at once. You can't postpone it. But if the gap is like 3-5 minutes, like someone who forgot to rinse his mouth and nose, and he washed all of his body to uplift a nocturnal emission, major ritual impurity. And he remembered a couple of minutes later, so he goes back to the toilet and he rinses his mouth and nose. This is fine, inshallah, and there's no problem in that. So if a person misses a part in wudu, he has to start all over again. But if the time is not long enough, meaning I started by rinsing my mouth, my nose, washed my face, then I wiped my head, and I wanted to start doing my feet, but I remembered that I did not do my arms. So I go and wash my arms, because the gap is very negligible. And then I re-wipe my head again, though I just wiped it because the sequence was not followed, the order was not followed. And then I wash my feet. But if the gap is long, you have to restart it all over again, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.